is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because we are gonna make some Filipino sausage called Longganisa. For today's ingredients, we're gonna use 4 pounds of ground pork, guys. As you can see, we are back with our best friend here, our KitchenAid stand mixer. So instead of baking, I attach the grinder here, and also instead of the grinder, I put in the sausage stuffer. So now we're gonna start stuffing all this meat inside this casing. Here we go, starting to come out now. We are finally done putting all the meat inside the casing. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to divide them into about 2 inches. So we'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Alright, we are finally done putting all the sausage together. What we're gonna do now is we are going to wait overnight to let everything marinate inside the casing. So tomorrow we're gonna cook it and we are going to taste it
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. So now finally we have finished making our longanisa. Check this out. So now we are going to cook it. You see this? It's beautiful, right? Now that we have preheated our skillet, we're gonna put our Filipino sausage here. When I cook it like this, I always put just a little bit of water. What this does is it helps steam the meat inside and it gets evenly cooked. Cover it.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, we are gonna check our longanisa. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to poke the sausage, so all the fat that is rendered inside it is gonna drip. You gotta be careful, guys. Sometimes this actually bursts and it can burn you. You see all that goodness, right? So that's gonna become the juice. Oh! Let's flip it now, guys. Okay, so this is almost done. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna wait for all the water to evaporate, and then after that we're just gonna add just a little bit of oil. So that way all the sugars that are infused inside is going to caramelize and it will stick on the side of the sausage. Now all the water has already been evaporated from the sausage. I am now gonna separate them. So let's cut it. You see what I'm talking about, guys? All the sugar that's rendered inside the sausage has started to caramelize. Now it's going to add some color to our longanisa. And of course the flavor. And lastly, fried garlic. A lot of it. Too. Put a lot of fried garlic in here. And now, the garlic fried rice is done. Let's plate this. And just like that, we are done making our Filipino sausage, Longganisa. So here it is. I just put some egg on top of my fried rice, some cucumber, and I sliced some tomato. and also we put some Vietnamese pickle. So why don't we taste it now? I can't wait. I'm so excited. Look at this, guys. Now time to taste our Longganisa. Wow. It is really good, guys. The marinade that we made on this one, it really seeped through all the meat, especially when I left it overnight. So now I'm gonna taste it with our homemade dipping sauce. Oh, it's really good. Ang sarap, guys. Now, let's try our garlic fried rice with fried egg on top of it. Mmm, it's delicious. I can eat this any time of the day, guys. Actually, in the Philippines, we call this long silog. So meaning to say, shorten of Longganisa, sinangag, which is fried rice, and itlog for the eggs. So it's long silog. And the best part is, you can eat this at any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or midnight snack, or I don't know if you want to snack at 4 a.m. It doesn't matter. But it's really good, guys. Wow. And also, I have a confession to make. This is my first time making this, so for me, this is a success. I'm gonna put this one in my box. There you go. I think I made this dish the right way and exactly how I want it. This is a Vietnamese pickle. Wow, good too. This pickle actually complements the entire dish. So let's say when you're getting tired of eating this, just eat this pickle. It refreshes your whole entire palate. And also we made our what's this? Latte. There we go.